Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use Canva to make t-shirt design step by step. Open Canva and create a custom canvas sized for a shirt print with a transparent background. Choose the correct color profile and set safe margins. Lock a grid or guide to maintain consistent placement across designs. Save a template to speed future projects and keep your layers organized for easy edits later. Pick a strong concept, then add bold shapes, icons, or photos that match your message. Use high-resolution PNGs or vector files for sharp prints and keep text short with readable fonts. Use color contrast to ensure visibility on different shirt colors and test mockups. Group and name layers to make adjustments quick and preserve a clean file for export when you are ready to print or upload to a print-on-demand service. Quick recommendation: if you like hands-free help while designing, the Echo Dot smart speaker keeps your playlist, timers, and voice shortcuts close at hand while you work. If you want clearer audio cues or to set quick design reminders, it fits perfectly next to your setup. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When your design is ready, export using PNG for transparent prints or PDF for print shops, and ensure 300 dpi for crisp results. Choose sRGB for most online services, unless a shop asks for CMYK. Use mockups to preview placement on different shirt sizes and correct any scale issues. Order a sample print to verify colors and alignment before fulfilling orders or sharing designs with customers to avoid surprises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.